Find or read reviews that people are talking about runsea 5000 amp jump starter, 12 volt car battery jump starter with 60 watt quick charge speed. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The D28 jump starter, packing a 26,000 mAh heavy-duty battery and 5,000 amp peak current, is your go-to emergency solution for 12-volt vehicles. Whether it's your car, truck, boat, or other larger rides, this bad boy quickly jumps back to life dead batteries in a pinch. Built to handle both gas and diesel engines up to 10L, it's the reliable wolf pack of power you need when your vehicle leaves you stranded. No fuss, just fast, effective power restoration every time. The D28's HD LCD display clearly shows all status indicators of this portable jump starter. Easily check your emergency power's real-time condition and access all functions with a glance. No confusion, just straightforward info. With a 60-watt USB-C port, in/out, and 2QC 3.0 USB-A port, this jump starter doubles as a power hub. Charge phones, laptops, iPads, any device, fast. Perfect for travel and camping. Hit the one-touch boost button to jumpstart low-voltage vehicles in a snap. The built-in LED flashlight has high beam, strobe, and SOS modes, your go-to emergency tool for any situation. Crafted with proprietary anti-overload and smart voltage regulation for seamless compatibility with any 12-volt vehicle, no overloads, no power fluctuations. Premium fast-charging battery technology provides outstanding runtime in a sleek 2.5-pound build, ideally fitted for glove boxes and emergency kits. Works like a charm from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this portable jump starter handles extreme temps with ease. Certified safe with many approvals for total peace of mind. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.